Hey everyone, this is Al Backness here, Managing Director of Architecture and Platforms here at KINETIQ. Welcome back to our series on FP&A planning, where we are taking you into the day in the life of an FP&A organization and the solution. In this video, we will be talking all about balance sheet driver-based planning, focusing specifically on DSO or Days Sales Outstanding, where we are forecasting AR based on revenue projections. Like many organizations, CFOs and leaders are facing the pain of not knowing where cash flow is being affected within the organization and what the impact is based on their forecasts across all their different financial statements. With DSO planning, we have the ability to use Fabric Planning to connect both our driver-based planning modules as well as our DSO planning to show exactly when collections are coming in the door. This is not only reflecting the revenue projections, but also forecasting when cash will be collected, allowing CFOs to be able to understand exactly when cash is coming in the door, what investments can be made based on the fiscal year budget and forecast for the year. So as an example here, I can make different assumptions. Let's say for this year, we're assuming across all of our companies, we're going to have a 35-day sales outstanding. This is then reflecting what our AR forecast will look like across the organization, how collections will change and how that will impact our AR, whether that's going up or down as cash is coming in the door. Not only that, but this is fully integrated. I can come into my driver-based planning module here, and I have the ability to forecast my different units. If I'm assuming that I'm doing 60,000 units this year, we can immediately see what that revenue impact looks like on our organization, come back to our DSO plan, and see, of course, the updates happening on this here. This is real-time planning where we can immediately see our revenue impact showcasing from our driver-based planning here and what that reflects our AR to be. This is showcasing how cash is going to be coming in the door and ultimately building towards our cash flow statement where we will be able to see our projections here. So I hope you enjoyed this video on how Fabric Planning is bringing connected planning across modules into one location integrated on top of your warehouse. Thank you, and this is Alp signing out.